we're on 48 Hour Project today with Prince Mario. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for the invitation. This is so awesome. Tell me all about it.
It is the 48 Film Festival, and our film festival is about amazing producers and artists that put together short films within just 48 hours. This is pretty unique and stunning. And we now have 190,000 people already in our network following the 48 films. And what the best thing is about, tonight we're gonna see at the award ceremonies the 16 very best of those. So our winners and people affiliated come from 29 cities around the globe, and they fly in from all over, of course, also for our very spectacular red carpet. Our venue is nothing less than the very best. We're here at the prestigious Directors Guild of America on Sunset Boulevard in the heart of Hollywood.
Well, I was fortunate enough to get asked to help judge the films. So I'm here in support of the film festival. And
48 Hour Project, are you familiar with this?
No, this is my first time here. Thank you. This is my first time here, and I've never been here, but thanks to my publicist and Mario, they invited me here to check it out.
And absolutely, folks, we're right here at the red carpet of Hollywood. This is a fantastic event, once in a lifetime. If you're not here, you're missing out.
So tonight's winners of the short film will actually be doing all the legwork of the movie we're shooting in Greece later this year.
We're the leads in a big movie. It's called Gates of Hades. Look out for it. It's going to be beautiful.
And we are very blessed because I think in this very difficult political moments in the world, it's a duty of Hollywood to shine that light and also to sort of give the hand.
Your film's going to be in there today?
Yeah, my film's been nominated for 7 awards. We've been nominated for Best Film, Best Director, Best Screen. We've been nominated for a few awards, and I'm really looking forward to tonight. Hopefully it'll be a good night.
My name is Dr. Bobby Awadallah. I'm a board-certified dermatologist and creator of UVO, the first drinkable vitamin supplement that protects, repairs, and beautifies your skin from the inside out. It's all natural, healthy, and delicious. And I urge you guys to try it out for your skincare and beauty.
We're having the best time, and we just want you all to click and follow and tag and search us 48 Film Festival here at the Directors Guild 2017.